Hi YouTube, we're going to do a video today of Smart Notebook software. So let's get started. So let's first open up Notebook. So let's double click on Smart Notebook. Okay, so welcome to Smart Notebook. Let's X that out. Okay, so on the bottom side over here, we have the first top bar is the regular tools you get on Notebook. So we have the cursor, the mouse, the pen tools with all different kinds of colors here, highlighters, and if I keep on scrolling down, we have even more highlighters. So let's go back here. Okay, we have the creative pen right here with black, yellow, green, red, blue, smiley faces. This new one, it's like these little star things. And then line tools, shape tools, the shape recognition, whatever tool. So if I draw a circle, it corrects it, or an oval, it corrects it for me. Rectangle, triangle, right triangle, something like that. Okay. We have the magic pen right here. The magic pen does three things. If you write, you cannot, so if I click on the eraser, it does not erase. It goes by itself. And then another thing is we can focus on something, so the students can automatically focus. If you draw a circle or an oval on the triangle, and then go to a circle, rectangle, like that. And then we have to magnify something. So this right triangle is supposed to be less magnified, so we're going to put either a square or a rectangle around it, and it will automatically magnify it. And then let's get to the math tools. So the math tools I have located right down here. All these tools right here. So let's do an arrow actually. Let's get an arrow pointing right down there on the bottom left. So those tools, we have this E on the bottom left, brings this screen up here, so I can draw like a pi symbol, and it will appear there. I can use these math tools in class. So we have pi, and then we have much more things here, all these things. So let's get a half. You get a half written in here, and we can always change the half to a different kind of thing. So let's make it bigger. And let's get our keyboard out. Double click, let's go down here. And then let's change that to a 4. And the top to a... Oh, actually, let's leave it as a 1. What am I thinking? Okay, leave it as a 1. Then we automatically have 1/4 right here on Notebook. Okay, next one is this shape one right down here. It's called irregular polygons. So we have this first one is a black one, the yellow and red one, and the green one. So let's do the yellow one. So let's draw a shape. So let's do a right triangle. Let's go to a new page actually. So just get the dots there. Like that, and it should be correct. Move it a little bit, maybe like that or something. Something like this. Just make it a little smaller. So with this, I'm going to right click on it. Click show vertices right here. Show vertices. Show or hide vertices. And we see the vertices right here, here, and here. So we can take those circles and move them around so we can change the shape. So let's make it like a big triangle. All interactive with these shape tools. And then we can right click again. We can show or hide interior angle. So this bottom angle located right here is 66.3 degrees. This one right here is 66.8 degrees. And this one right here is 46.9 degrees. Let's get to the next one. This one is, I haven't used this before, but it's like, check it out. Oh, I got it. Okay, so let's see this. Let's get a new page. Let's click it again. Let's get a circle. Kind of like a circle. So, let's get the circle. Right click. And, oh, I can't do it here. Actually, never mind. So let's get this tool down here. The measuring, okay, we're going to click, we have a ruler. So you can get a ruler on notebook. We can get a protractor. I can't shrink it. And we can get a, what is this called? A triangle something protractor. So let's take a compass. So we have a compass here. So let's pick a color. Let's get a smaller circle. Actually, let's make a big circle. So let's change the pen color by going right down here to the pen tool and picking a color. So let's get let's get an orange. So let's take this and take the pen here and draw a circle. Take this and delete it. So we have a circle here. So let's take that circle, right click on it, and click Shape Division. So let's say we want to put it into 6 equal sections. Okay. Here we have our pie. So right here, everything is 1/6. So when I'm teaching a class, we can take one of those pies and just drag it out. So now we have 5 out of 6. And then if we take another one out, or 2 more out, we have 3 out of 6. 3 out of 6. Let's recognize this to Math Inc. And this does not work. Didn't recognize it. Okay. Delete. So that's the cool things with shapes we have here. Turn back. This is, oh, X and Y, like a table, I think. Yeah, a table. So we have X and Y values. So we have X, 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 and Y, 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 Y. We have wizard graphs, Cartesian graphs, we have quadrant and number line. So let's get a number line out. We have a number line here. So we're all able to see this number line. And let's make it just a little bit bigger. Okay. So we want to point that we're doing inequalities. So we write the inequality, -4, close circle. Going to the right. Which is not a good arrow. Anywho, it's going to the right. There you go. Everyone knows. Good. Next, let's go to quadrant graph. We can do the x's, 4, and it shows a graph right over here. Here's our graph we just made. Make it bigger, and we can all plot points. And then we can up. And then we have, oh, this one right here I can't use. The one located right here. This one right here. It's a Texas Instruments TI-84 Plus Silver Edition. And millimeter something, something like that. So you have the calculator on the computer, and you're able to do all kinds of things with it. So yeah, and those are pretty cool things you can do with the math tools. I think I covered it all. Let's just check one thing. I forgot to do for the tool, this one right here. So if I click on that, I can draw a shape. And I just forgot one thing, is that you can take it, and I'm trying to do everything. Show, hide vertices. That, move things around. Show, hide interior angles, right here. And then we have show and hide length. So we have the length is right here, 5, 8.2, 6.2, 9.3. 9.3, yeah. So, thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.